Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. In today's video, we will continue with the hula, the Hawaiian Lullaby. We will pick up where we left off, starting with the first verse and hands. Where I live, both out at sides, into chest, showing your home. There are rainbows left out, right touch and wave 4 times overhead to mimic the rainbow. With flowers, both at the right, pick flowers and raise, full of color and open. And birds, both touch shoulder, wings right out forward, left back, and then reverse on the left. Filled with song, both at your mouth, palms in, turn over and push forward. Now let's learn the feet in slow motion. There will be 4 kaholo, a point, 2 ka'o, and 1 last kaholo. Kaholo, right, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, 4, continue right, and left, close your step and point with your right, lean slightly forward, and come back up, 3, 4, foot back in, ka'o, right, ka'o, left, kaholo, right, 2, 3, 4. Let's practice that once more in real time. Kaholo, right, left, right, left, finish your step and point, right, 2, 3, 4, bring it back, ka'o, right, left, kaholo, right. Ready to put the hands and feet together? Let's hula.
Where I live, there are rainbows and flowers full of colors and birds filled with song.
Mahalo for tuning in to iHula Hawaii. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't and click on the bell for notifications. Give a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video and feel free to leave a question or a comment below. Until we see each other again, ahui ho and aloha.